Video number 12, Following Too Closely, NJ, 39:4-89. What constitutes the offense of following too closely, or tailgating as it's referred to in the vernacular? Well, the general gist of this statute is they don't want you to be too close to the vehicle in front of you, so that the front bumper of your vehicle does not collide with the rear bumper of the vehicle in front of you should they stop short. In the event a rabbit runs across the road, a dog runs across the road, a kid runs across the road, a car pulls out in front of the other vehicle, and they slam the brakes on. Now, there's very little law on what constitutes following too closely. It's generally a judgment call on the part of the officer, and we all know what that means. You get the ticket if there's any chance that you were following too closely, whatever that means. But here's what you need to know. It's a 5-point ticket. It's a 5-point ticket. It's the same thing as reckless driving. It's the same thing as going 100 miles an hour on the parkway, or 30 plus miles over the speed limit, wherever you are. And the other thing you need to know is if you retain me to handle your ticket, I can do a lot better for you than 5-point resolution. Oftentimes I can get them to 0, sometimes 2, depending on how bad it is. But the gist of it is that it's a nasty little ticket. People don't really understand what a consequence it can have on their driving abstract, their cost to maintain and operate a vehicle on the public roads in New Jersey. And you definitely need to have help with it, because if you go into court and you plead to it, or you plead to it and pay it in the mail, you're going to get 5 points. And once you get to 6 points cumulative total on your driver's abstract, you got to pay surcharges for 3 years. So if you have a ticket like this, or a child that you have has a ticket like this, a son or a daughter or a wife, give me a call, please. I can definitely help you do a lot better than whatever you would be offered. And once again, here is my information. Thank you, and have a nice day.